Hello, YouTube. Big Papi coming back at you. Big Papi today he gonna do some mustard fried pork chop. I already been having it marinating for about 3 hours. I got some garlic and a little bit of slap your mama on there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put this in here, put it in my flour, shake it up. I got my oil heating back there behind me. I think we can do 3 at a time in that big skillet. That's the way we're gonna do it. Yeah. Hope y'all are having a good day. Big Papi's doing good. Big Papi got it going on. Yeah. Yeah, Big Papi got it going on. Yeah. It's all right. It's all good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're going to have us some mustard fried pork chop, buttered potatoes and mixed vegetables, homemade biscuits. Yeah. That's what Big Papi gonna do. This is my flour for my biscuits. Got my little pan right here. So right now we're heating some oil up. The star of the show, y'all, is the pork chop. I know I said I got buttered potatoes, mixed vegetables, but the star of the show is the pork chop. This is what they call it? Homage to G Rich. Young man to be throwing down. He be cooking with that mustard. You gonna do it, G Rich. I knew a man back in the day used to cook with mustard a lot. Mr. Kitchen. Elton Kitchen. Yeah. He used to throw that mustard on his fish and stuff like that. Yeah, back in the 70s. Sit down there in his yard and we'd have a fish fry. Yeah. Y'all might know one of his sons. He got a famous son. James the Heat Kitchen. Everybody know James the Heat back in the day. Yeah. But anyway, we all grew up together. Old James. I call him Slick. Cause he's slick. How you doing, Slick? If you see this video, give me a shout out. Show me some love. Yes, sir. I used to love sitting down there with Mr. Kitchen because he could tell some stories. I ain't gonna tell y'all none of them because that was back then. But yeah, OG Rich be cooking with that mustard. Brought back a lot of memories for me. Yes, he did. And anyway, this is gonna be my little version. I'm gonna get it going on. So while my oil is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and y'all seen me make biscuits before. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my biscuits, and then I'll get right back with you. Big Papi out for a second. Fam, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to show y'all me frying the pork chop. Sometimes you get carried away. Yeah. Sometimes you get carried away. But I got a couple of pieces over here. Some of that scraggly stuff, you want to call it. I'll throw them in there. There's my other pork chop over there. If you can see it. But yeah, I kind of forgot. You know what they say, charge it to my head and not my heart. I'm just moving and grooving. Yeah. There we go. Turn that down just a little more. Just let that cook up. Go ahead and watch my dishes while you watching that YouTube. Don't let it burn, y'all. Y'all keep an eye on it. I got my back to you. Counting on you. Yeah. Get this turned over. Yes, sir. And I told you, YouTube, don't let that stuff burn. I don't think y'all was paying attention. Yep. And what we're going to do now, we're going to let that cook up. Then we're going to get in the oven and pick our biscuits that we got in there. See how they look. Yes, sir. All right, fam. There we go. Mustard fried pork chops. Inspired by G Rich. All right, there's my take on it. As you say, in your mouth, that's where mine gonna be, in my mouth. All right, y'all. That's it. Got my little homemade biscuits back there. You know, Big Poppy always trying to make some homemade biscuits. G Rich gonna be the mustard man, and I'm gonna be the biscuit man. All right. It ain't how you look in the kitchen. It's how you cook in the kitchen. You ain't gotta look good to cook good. Yeah. Got my little cake. My Texas sheet cake. This time I put a Pepsi in there. Yeah. Big Poppy be throwing down. I'm gonna show you how to do it next time. All right. That's my homemade gravy. There's my buttered potatoes and my mixed vegetables. Only thing that's missing now is my jalapeno pepper and a blessing and a good place to sit down and eat. All right, I'm gonna make me a plate. Come back with a finished product. Big Poppy out for a second. All right, fam, there it is. Big Poppy's plate. He got his buttered potatoes with brown gravy, mixed vegetables, pork chop, couple of serranos, 2 homemade biscuits. Might put me a little more gravy on there. You know, I was watching one guy's channel, he called that smothered potatoes. In Texas, we don't call that smothered potatoes. That's buttered potatoes with gravy. You know, but to each his own. It's good. That's one thing it is. It is good. But I'm going to sit down and eat. Might put some butter on my biscuits. I don't know. But I think that's enough fattening food for Big Poppy. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Big Poppy out.